make mokimo, you guys. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. You're going to get a variety of videos here on African life. You're gonna get one of my video on cooking. Yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, yeah, you all know I appreciate you. Thanks for supporting my channel. Thanks for always coming back to watch my content. And let's do this. So today I have peas right here, green peas. I have pumpkin leaves right there. I also have some pre-boiled maize. I have meat. I'm going to tell you what the meat is for in a few. I also have potatoes right there and some veggies. So, y'all, I don't know if there's anybody who can guess what we want to make today. I want to make a traditional Kenyan meal called mokimo, and I want mokimo to be accompanied by meat stew. I'm cooking this meal for myself and my son, so it's probably it's just me and my son. So, uh, let's do this. So let's do this, guys. Let's cook mokimo. First, you put the pre-boiled maize in the cooking pan. You put in the green peas and some salt to taste, and then you add your potatoes. And just ensure that you have enough space in the cooking pan for when you're ready to mash when the potatoes are ready. You then bring in some water, just enough to cook the potatoes and the green peas, and then you let it simmer. While your potatoes are simmering, you blanch the pumpkin leaves just for like 2 minutes. That is enough to make sure that they retain the green color, and then you pour them in a blender and blend them, guys. This is a secret in how you see the small smoky more you get in restaurants, guys. You just blend the pumpkin leaves or whatever leaves you're using for your mokimo, you blend them, and then you just have them ready for when you need to put them in the potatoes or in the mokimo when the potatoes are already done cooking. And yeah. Yay! So now potatoes are ready, and we come in with the pumpkin leaves that we blended, and then you just mash with a wooden cooking stick. Traditional, you can use any cooking stick that you have, but I mean it's a traditional food, so I prefer to use the wooden cooking stick. Uh, yes. So you just mash. Just make sure everything combines well together. It's a bit tedious, but I mean, with practice. But anywho, who am I kidding? It's not even tedious, guys. It's just easy peasy. You just mash them together, combine, make sure they're well combined. You guys see the green color? Oh my, it's already starting to come together. Very easy. Gosh, I'm telling you, by now the cameraman was just looking at me like, I want some. Yeah, it's my son. He loves mokimo. So anywho, guys, just combine everything together. Okay, let's see how it goes. Nice. So to make it extra yummy, guys, you need to come in with some spring onions that you've already fried on the side. Put them in and just mix them up, mash them up, guys. Ooh, yummy. Okay, now with the beef, yeah, I had already boiled it, you guys. So put in your garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and the pre-boiled meat already. It's beef. So the water, guys, I don't use the water directly. I use beef stock. Like, I keep the soup that I had boiled my beef in and use that. It makes the meat extra yummier and meaty, and after that, come in with the veggies. And yes, I'll cut them in whatever shape you prefer, and let it simmer. Just let it simmer so as to reduce the soup. You don't want it so watery. Oh, yeah. So once it's done simmering and the soup reduces to your liking, you come in with your coriander after you have already put off the fire. Come in with your coriander, and yeah, voila, it's ready. And you serve nice and yummy, guys. See the color. Gosh, you guys, it's so yummy. Guys, if you like this content, if you found this recipe as easy as I do, consider subscribing, and I hope you tune in next time for more content like this. Look how we cleaned up the plates. Yummy.